In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use transitions, effects, and effects in Wondershare Filmora 9. So I have here now my vlog materials, my video materials, my video and my audio background music. And I've already covered um, adding audio and editing audio from the previous video that I did. So right now, I will be adding some titles, transition and effects rather, transition and effects in my video. So I have here the transition and effects tab. So basically, when you talk about transition, it's like the transition in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're very familiar, that means how you would transition from one. In PowerPoint, it's how you would transition from one slide to another. But for our video, it's how we transition from one video to another. So in transition, we have here so many options, and there are in some categories here. We have the basic, we have some 3D transitions, we have ripples and dissolve, speed blur, warp, lifestyle, slideshow, and other things if you're going to add it in your favorite. But let's say basic. In basic, there are a lot of options already here. So let's say you want to choose this butterfly wave scroller. All you have to do is to if you want a preview of it, you can do so. So if you, for example, if you would like this blind here, you can click that one and then you can preview it from here. So that is how it will look like. If you want color distance, you click that one and click play here in the preview. So that's how it looks like. And then for cube, for example, we have here click and then preview. Okay, I will just use cube for this tutorial. So what I will do now is I will just click that one and drag it from to the editor pane, and then I will put it in between the two videos that I have, so that when I would so that when I would preview it, this is how it looks like now. Click play. There
Hello
you
everyone,
go.
welcome once again to
So that is how the transition works in Wondershare Filmora 9. Okay, so you can still edit this one by clicking here. You can change the duration like 2 seconds. You can also do an overlap, a prefix, for example, here on the first video. That means you will be doing the transition at the before the first video ends. If you want to use postfix, that means you're going to apply the transition when or during the when at the start of the second video. But if you want to overlap in between the two videos, then you can also do that. So for this demo, I'll just choose overlap and then click OK. Then again, you preview it.
Hello
That is
everyone,
how it
welcome once
looks
again
like
to the
now.
public school.
Okay, that's for transition. Now let's go to effects. Effects is like our, if you're familiar with Instagram, that is actually like the filters that you will be using in your video. So for example, here in the effects tab, I have a lot of effects or filters here. There's some filters, there's some overlays, and there's some utility here. In filters, it's like the Instagram. If you want to change your video to black and white, you can do that. You can distort. You can have an Instagram like. Can have a material. For example, here charcoal, canvas, color sketch. Can have a sepia tone, and etc. You can also have some common filters here. So it's really up to you. And then you can also have here some overlays. You can put a frame. There you go. You can put light leaks, bokeh. You can have lens flares, old films if you want to make your video looks like it was shoot in the past, something like that. You have damage film, you have TV static, you can have viewfinder, and a lot more. So for this demo, I'll just use frame and this Cinema 21.9 because I want to remove this part here, the top part and then the last part. So I want to hide that one. So all I have to do is to click again and drag and put it here at the top of the of my vlog material of my video. Okay, so as you can see, the part here, the bottom part, and then the upper part of the bottom can no longer be seen because I placed a frame there. Okay, so you put it on the top of the material in which you're going to use the frame for, and then if you want to extend it until the last part of your video, you can do that by doing this. First, you're going to minimize so that all the materials that you have already placed in your video can be shown. So minimize that one. There you go. And then for your effect here, you just have to click the last part of your effect and then just drag until the last part of the video. That means the the effect that you used will appear from the beginning of the second video, and it will also be shown until the end of the video. You can actually adjust that one if you want to stop right here or there. There you go. It's really up to you. So I will now zoom in to make the editing pane bigger. So now the effect will appear together with the video and then the audio material. So let's have a preview of this.
Hello everyone, welcome once again to the
Okay,
Public
so
School
that's how
Teacher
it
YouTube
looks like.
channel, and I'm back with another tutorial video.
Okay, so that's how you use transition and effects in Wondershare Filmora 9. See you on the next video.